Y'all, Outre just keeps coming with it with them hitters. Like, girl, look at that. This is so freaking cute. I love this length. Look at these curls. Perfect hairline or what?
You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Sitting with the enemy, but I can be mistaken. I'm living in a dream. This world is mine for taking. You feel my energy. Ain't got no time for wasting. I know they into me. Ain't got no time for waiting. I've been creating my fate and they finna find out. They can't relate and debate because they're behind now. I feel the weight of the hate and they finna lie down. I carry pain on my shoulders and in my eyes now. Find out how it feels just sitting with the lights out. My doubt how it feels just sitting when the fight's out. I know my time is borrowed. We may not see tomorrow. I know that pain can swallow each day by sorrow. I know my time is borrowed. We may not see tomorrow. I know that pain can swallow each day by sorrow. Even though my time is borrowed, I'm hoping I see tomorrow. Got no pride or breath to swallow or wallow inside the sorrow. Days turn to nights and when the lights get low, pray that I just might ignite the life in this enclosure. Weighing me down, lifting me up, staying profound while I'm living my love. You already know how I've been giving it up. You can steady show my glow, I'm lifting it up. I know my time is borrowed. We may not see tomorrow. I know that pain can swallow each day by sorrow. I know my time is borrowed. We may not see tomorrow. I know that pain can swallow each day by sorrow.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to review for you is this gorgeous look that's on my head. And yes, it is another Outre unit. This is in the style Kira and the color number 2. So this does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come pre-plucked with HD lace and 13x4 parting space, and it does have an elastic band in it. This one does seem like it's coming off small and medium head friendly for sure, but if you have a larger size head, I think you can get away with this one, but just know it may be a little bit of a stretch. This one is also high heat friendly up to 400 degrees, so the texture on this is definitely between a soft to medium yaki. The length on it is super natural. It's kind of short, but I am absolutely all here for it. It's coming just above my boobs. Let's look at this parting space. Perfect hairline. The density on this is pretty full. This is all the hair to the front, and if I had to guess the density, I want to say it's like 150%. Not too much hair, but definitely not too thin either. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what this wonderful unit is looking like all around. Spoiler alert, I don't have any cons on this unit, just like with so many of my past Outre reviews. Like, honey, can we just talk about the pros? Like, look at this curl pattern. Yes, the texture. I really love the texture, the density, the hairline. the parting space, the versatility that you get with it, the length, like this is definitely a look, and I can for sure see this being an everyday unit, which I absolutely love. I didn't think I was gonna like this as much as I do, but I gotta say, like, I do. You dig me? Yes, yes. Yes, this is so cute. Now, honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.